Meet the newest addition to the duck family. These 7 crazy quackers are trying to tell me they think they're hungry. Oh, they think they're hungry now. In the meantime, the boys over here are also talking up a storm. Hello, beautiful Ozzy. See, you guys still have food all over the ground, though. You're fine. Yeah, you're just talking. What's up, big man? All right, let's go feed the little ducks. Want to see some little ducks go crazy. What's going on, little guys? I wonder what's in here. Ooh. I got something special for you, little duckies. All right. Now, listen to the silence. Oh, nobody has anything to say, huh? Huh. Let the chickens get in there. All right, let's go see what the babies are up to. There everybody is. Enjoying their little corn snacks. Let me make my way through the pool maze and over here to the babies. Actually, these guys are my fluffy little teenagers. Hi, guys. Hi. Hi, everybody. Oh, I'll show everybody how cute you are. So these guys, hi, baby, very excited to see me also, are my little teens. They're kind of tweenagers right now. That one right there in the front, missing feathers, is actually a twerpin. Turkin. Yeah, that's my little twerpy, my tall one. This one right here is absolutely beautiful. They've all got little feather feet. Their daddy was that gray silky you saw earlier. Go nuts, guys. All right, and then the babies. The babies are loose. What are you doing? What are you doing, babies? Apparently, we have a problem. What is going on, Mama? So we gotta catch the 4 babies. And then inside here, oh, Mama. We have a mama who's sitting on about 20 eggs. Anytime now. All right, I gotta get to work catching those little babies. And here's how I plan on catching those babies. That's Daddy, by the way. Oh, and the beautiful mom of our Turpin baby. Yeah, you interested in a little bit of that? Get you some, you sexy thing. Face only a mama could love. I like these cute little ducks here. So we're going to use this to try to catch our loose little babies. What you doing, stupids? We do have another Turpin baby in here. Let's get in. All right, babies. Tell them all about it, Mama. Not you. Nope, nope, nope. Now the hard part's keeping the other chickens away and convincing the babies that Mom needs to get them to come to this side of the cage. Oh, here they come. Oh, there they go. They change their minds. They do this a whole lot. They go back and forth, back and forth. It's really hard to get chickens actually inside the little door they're supposed to be inside of. I'm going to give them a little assistance. Oh, here they come again. It'll only get so far, and then something will scare it, and it'll go back. Oh, Mama went to get them. Now I got to convince Mama to get back in the house. Mama went home, and the dummies are still over there. Let's see if they figured it out. Here comes one, here comes 2. Oh, get back over here, you. We got an escapee again. Mama, get your children. We got 3 of them that have figured it out now. There's just one little lone bird over there. Here he comes, here he comes. Zoop. Okay, all of Mama's babies are home. Now we gotta get them back inside again. All right, Mama, take your babies in. And just like that, Mama and babies are back home. But I need to fix this situation here, so off to do something else.